Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah, and as you can see, I've got the seat height video of the new Triumph Thruxton 400. Now I'll sit on the bike, I'll tell you about my inseam and the usual stuff. But before I do that, let me tell you a couple of things at the outset. See, Triumph is claiming, a seat height of 795 mm. Now that sounds low, right? They are also saying that because of the new rear subframe, they have managed to lower the bike. Okay. Now, of course, they are not lying, but then I have told you earlier as well that the seat height number does not tell you the whole story. All right. The size, the shape of the seat, the contours, and of course the side panels, everything comes together and determines how comfortable or uncomfortable your reach would be. Okay, I am of course talking about shorter people like me. All right. Now, I've said this earlier that your height does not matter, your inseam does. However, there are people who want to know my height. So barefoot it is 5'1". Now the crucial figure is your inseam measurement, your inside leg measurement. Okay, so my inseam barefoot is 27 inches. With these boots, I think I gained 1.5 inches. So let's see how I fare on this motorcycle. All right. As you can see, so Parijat is shooting the video for me. Parijat, if you can come a bit closer. So I cannot tiptoe on both sides at the same time. Okay. And this is my natural reach behind the footrest. And it is the same on the right hand side as well. Now, the truth is, this does not feel like how a 795 mm is supposed to feel. All right. Now, don't get me wrong. Of course, Triumph is not lying. If they are saying 795, it must be 795. But yeah, I'm here to tell you how it feels, in the saddle. Okay, on the motorcycle. It does. If you have experienced a 795 mm seat earlier, for example, if I remember correctly, the Royal Enfield Scrambler 411, even they claim 795 mm, and it does not feel 795 mm. In fact, it feels much higher than this. Okay, so if that is your reference point, you'll find this to be comparatively lower or easier. Okay, so let's put it this way. Forget the numbers. How can you forget the numbers? Because the company is claiming that number, and you think that 795, this would be really low. It is not really low. Okay, but then the crux is, see, if your inseam is around mine, 27 inches, and you wear proper boots which give you an inch or 1.5 inches in addition to your inseam, you would be able to manage this motorcycle. Would you be comfortable? No. It is not a comfortable affair even for someone like me, and I have been riding for over 3 decades. Okay, but then I don't let that come in the way of my me enjoying the motorcycle. As simple as that. So the point is, what would be the minimum inseam for you to comfortably manage this motorcycle? That would be 30 inches. Anything lower than that, depending upon your skills, depending upon your zeal, if you are a newbie, I would say put in a lot of practice and you would be able to ride this motorcycle. If I can, so can you, right? But then I have to set realistic expectations. So the point is, I somehow found it to be just a tiny bit more challenging than the Speed 400, than even the T4. Okay, and I think some part of it has to do with how you sit on the motorcycle. Okay, because see, right now, okay, this is a very relaxed position, right? So when you come to a stoplight, okay, you can do this. This is, I would say comparatively more relaxed than this, because now I can feel, a stretch in my leg and in my back as well. All right, this is comparatively relaxed. Now, in my lower leg and my lower back, I can feel the stretch. So perhaps that's why I'm finding it just a tiny bit more challenging. But again, like I said, I don't let that come in the way of, enjoying a motorcycle. So yeah, that was the long and short of it, or the tall and short of it. I hope this gives you a good idea about how you can expect yourself to fare on this motorcycle. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you do not have a question, still just leave a one word or a two word comment for me, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Do hit that like button, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.